Hello viewers, today, we will show you how to submit a Consolidate E-Invoice with SQL accounting software. It's easy and straightforward. Just follow these few simple steps. After completing a sales invoice, go to the More panel and make sure the submission type is set to Consolidate. Next, go to the Invoice Browse screen, select My Invoice, and click Consolidate E-Invoice. You can choose the desired date range. Tick the option Include Unsubmitted E-Invoice if you want to include invoices with the submission type set as E-Invoice. A list of invoices will appear, select any of them to consolidate. Click Next. The system will merge consecutive invoice numbers for the selected sales invoices. Review the aggregated invoice details and click Submit. Within 2 seconds, the Consolidated E-Invoice will be validated by LHDN. Once validated, you will see a green tick status and a unique UUID will be generated for the E-Invoice. In the Invoice Browse screen, invoices submitted together as a Consolidated E-Invoice will display the same Consolidate No and UUID. The E-Invoice submission status will now show as Consolidate. And that's it. We've successfully completed a Consolidate E-Invoice submission. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.